Hi Kamara babes, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So the hair that I will be working with today is from LS Beauty, you guys. This is a 20-inch. This is the packaging. Y'all, they packaging is A1. I really liked it. I love their packaging. It's so cute. Also, you get the goodies. You need that wig cap so y'all don't gotta run to the beauty store. And you get a pamphlet showing you how to take care of your unit. Also, this is a 20-inch. The price of this unit is $99.63. Also, look at the little code on the back, so y'all make sure when you get it, you check that out on the back. This is also unprocessed and 150 density. You guys, as you can see, it's pretty and it's thick, as you guys can see. Here I'm showing you they did lay out the baby hairs, just in case you don't know how to do that. Here they are laid out already. So I'm going to talk a little bit more about this unit in this video. So ladies, make sure you stay tuned for that. Don't stop right here. Get to the end of the video. So as you guys can see, we have the combs in the front. We also have the lace. You guys, this lace lay beautifully. So if you get this, let me know how you like it. Also, we have the comb in the back and the adjustable straps, which I love. I'm pretty sure you like it too now. So make sure you stay tuned for the video. Okay, ladies, I'm back. As you guys can see, I'm pressing the hair right now. I've already bleached it and already started plucking on my sides. I show you directly how I bleach these knots in a TikTok video and an Instagram video. So if you haven't checked those videos out, make sure you go check those out. My name is Kamara on all platforms, so make sure y'all check them out. Also, the video before this is I'm showing you how I did that unit in the same bleaching process. So make sure you go check that out if you haven't already. If you guys have tried this, make sure y'all leave it in the comments and let me know how you like it. As you guys see right now, I am plucking this unit, and actually I am winging this unit. I don't know how I'm going to style it yet, but I am going to pop in and out on this video to talk to you guys a little bit. But I did want to let you guys know the difference between the hairs that I use, and this is an unprocessed unit. My simple way of saying it is just you get a lot of flyaways, but that's something that I do want you guys to Google. So if you do purchase this hair, you will know exactly what you're getting. But the simple little version is unprocessed hair. It still has cuticle intact. It is not been chemically processed. So that's just a short term. So make sure you Google that if you get this hair. But you guys, it comes out to a beautiful end result. I mean, it's nothing but a little wax stick, a little heat, and it's fine. The hair still is full and it comes out beautifully. So that's one thing that I did want you guys to know. So I had to pop in here just to let my girls know. So when you get this hair, you know exactly what to expect. I'm not saying it's a bad unit or any of that. It's a beautiful unit, a full unit. It's 150 density, just in case I didn't put that out there at the beginning. And it's a nice unit for a decent price. So y'all, I'm still winging it. So we gonna pluck until we figure out what we gonna do. I'll pop back in a few minutes. Okay. We came up with some zigzags. We about to do some zigzags, y'all. Yeah, see, we're gonna get it together because I didn't know at first. And now I know we're gonna do some zigzags. I don't know if we're gonna do the buns. We're gonna figure this out together, y'all, but we know we're going with zigzag parts. So that's a good thing, right? As you guys see, the only thing that you see me using in this, y'all excuse that comb. Yeah, sometimes you know how you get that favorite comb. Y'all use that comb a lot, and the hot comb done burnt it, the flat iron done burnt it. It just done all burnt it. But as you guys see, I didn't use anything on this hair. I don't like to use a lot of product on the hair because I feel like it takes the depth of the hair away. I'll let you guys know everything I use. And if you're not sure what I use, make sure you check that description box out so that you guys can see everything that I use and what I put on this unit. And also you can find out the information on the unit. So as you guys see, once I find the style that I want, I start to pluck that area that I like, just to give that deep part so that you can see the parts very well. You won't have to use makeup. You can take the parts and the pieces that you want out or what you want in. And that's normally how I do my units. As you guys can see, out of all these videos, that's normally what I do. So, and as you guys can see, I am going in and out, pressing this hair out. I don't want any flyaways, so that's what I use that wax stick for. I used it in the back, I used it in the front, and not too much, but just enough. So that's what we're gonna do. So once we get to another part, I'm gonna pop back in. Okay, we getting somewhere. It's getting somewhere, ladies. Y'all have stayed with me through this process. And I mean, we getting somewhere. Y'all have motivated me. That's what that is. Y'all have motivated me. And we coming up with something cute. We're coming up with something cute. And this is one style, how you can wear it. This is another style that you can wear it. Y'all, I've been wanting to try these buns on my head, but every time I put it on my head, it won't come out right. We're going to get it, and we're going to do a video, and we are going to get it to where it's, I should have showed y'all. I didn't. But when I seen it, I was like, no, I'm not doing it. But it is so super cute. I've seen it on other girls, and it's so cute. But this is one style that you can do, and that's another style. So we've got, look how pretty this is, y'all. So y'all see I went with the down, and it's pretty. So y'all enjoy this part of the video. Okay, wait. Because when I first put this on, y'all, I was like, is this what I want to do? But y'all, look how pretty that unit is. 20 inches or not. It was so pretty. And of course, today I'm going to use my mousse. We're not going to do the tint spray because sometimes, y'all, we got to make that bottle last. But you guys look on all my videos, look how long I've had this mousse. I told y'all this mousse lasts, honey. It lasts, and it does. It gets the job done as well. And it's easy. It just has more for the buck. I'm going to tell you that. It just has more for the buck. And that's what I did this time. And as you guys know, if you haven't watched, when I've done these exact parts before in another unit, you guys seen it, I used the tint spray. But this time I used the mousse spray, and you still get the same results. It's so pretty. And bleaching them knots just help, you know. It helps. Y'all, when I first put it, I was like, Mickey Mouse. That's why I cannot be. I was like, Mickey Mouse. But y'all, at the end, like, it turned out so cute. And use those combs, y'all. It helps. It helps to keep this hair in place. Look, I was like, Mickey Mouse. It is so cute, though. So, I mean, it comes out so cute. And now we're going to do the spray. You guys, I can't even remember if I placed glue on it or not. But you know, you do not have to place glue on this if you choose not to. With my method, you can just use that spray and blow dry it, and it sticks, and it holds. That even spray don't play, honey. Even spray don't play. Trust that process. It does not play. So as you're going to do right here, you're going to comb that spray in. So maybe I didn't use any glue, but you're going to comb that even spray in, and it helps melt that lace, you guys. That's how you get a perfected, you know, melt. You comb it in, and you use that melt pen. I usually cut that off so it won't be over my eyes. But see, as you guys can see, you see that part? Now we're at the end result, baby. And it comes out to be so pretty. Who is that girl? Who is that girl? I mean, from my beginning to the end, honey, it works. This hair came out to be so pretty, you guys. That 150 density made it feel so natural. It just was, you know, it did what it needed to do. It got me all tongue twisted because it did what it needed to do. And I went with flat in the back, but you guys, I didn't even curl those ponytails. I twisted them, and that's what it did. So, I mean, you know, if you just want to do a couple twists everywhere and then let them down, you're going to get some curls, honey. So, this is a beautiful unit. You guys, I do recommend this hair. It is a 10 out of 10 for me. Make sure you check that description box. Until the next video.